A humble taxi driver named Daniel makes an extraordinary choice when he discovers a bag filled with $1 million left behind by a passenger. Living a modest life, Daniel feels that returning the money is more crucial than any personal gain, leading him to a local charity where he knows the funds can make a difference. As the children's laughter fills the room, Daniel realizes the profound impact of his decision, watching their lives change for the better. His act of kindness not only inspires those around him, but ignites a movement within the community, encouraging others to contribute to local causes. News of Daniel's selfless act spreads like wildfire, and soon he finds himself being celebrated as a local hero. Receiving an award for his kindness, he humbly acknowledges that the true reward lies in the smiles of those he helped. In a touching moment, Daniel connects personally with the children, inspiring them to dream big and believe in themselves. His actions lead to the establishment of a new playground, a symbol of hope and community spirit that brings families together. As the community unites planting trees and flowers, Daniel sees the fruits of his kindness, inspiring a wave of volunteerism. The once quiet neighborhood comes alive, filled with laughter and collaboration, transforming it into a nurturing environment for everyone. In a lively community meeting, residents come together to discuss new projects inspired by Daniel's actions. The bulletin board becomes a canvas of hope, illustrating the power of collaboration and the many ways they plan to keep the momentum going. The community comes alive with a festival celebrating their achievements, bringing together families for a day of joy and unity. Daniel takes center stage, sharing his journey, reminding everyone that kindness has the power to transform lives. Young volunteers spread joy throughout the festival, demonstrating that the spirit of giving has crossed generations. As Daniel addresses the crowd alongside the local mayor, he emphasizes the importance of continued community involvement to sustain their positive changes. As night falls, the park transforms into a magical space filled with laughter and warmth, uniting families under the stars. The mural brings together artists and children, beautifully capturing the essence of their shared journey, a lasting reminder of their united efforts. The day after the festival, Daniel strolls through the park, taking in the beauty of the mural while engaging with artists about new initiatives. Inspired young adults gather around him, motivated to create a mentorship program that will continue to uplift and inspire the youth in their community. Inside the community center, enthusiastic youth participate in workshops designed to equip them with essential skills for the future. Daniel watches with pride as they absorb knowledge from their mentors, knowing these sessions will create lasting change in their lives. The community center buzzes with excitement during a graduation ceremony where young participants proudly celebrate their accomplishments. As Daniel addresses the crowd, his heartfelt words resonate deeply, highlighting the transformative power of education and the role of community in shaping futures. Graduates celebrate their achievements with joyful smiles and heartfelt embraces, marking a significant milestone in their lives. Daniel shares a proud moment with one of the graduates, embodying the connections built through his charitable endeavors that will inspire future generations.